In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search operators. Mastering a few simple operators can dramatically speed up how you find information in your notes, documents, or on the web. Instead of scrolling through pages of results, you'll tell the search tool exactly what you want, and it will deliver. Let's start with putting words in quotation marks, using the example Project Alpha. When you wrap a phrase in quotes, you're asking the search tool to return results where those words appear together in that exact order, with no extra words in between. This is perfect when you know the precise phrase you need. For example, it will include a note with the line, Kickoff for Project Alpha, but it will ignore notes that say Project Roadmap for the Alpha release, because the words are separated, and it will skip Alpha Project, because the order is reversed. If you try this and get no results, double-check spelling and make sure you type the quotes correctly without extra spaces inside them. Next is the AND operator, as in Cat and Africa. Using and tells the search tool that both terms must appear somewhere in the same page or note. They don't need to be next to each other, they just have to coexist in the document. This is great for narrowing your results to the overlap of two ideas, like finding only those articles that discuss cats within the context of Africa. If your platform distinguishes operators, type AND in uppercase to make it clear you're using it as a command rather than as a normal word. If your results feel too broad, consider using more specific words on either side of AND. Now let's talk about OR, as in meeting OR conference, or is your go-to when different people might use different words for the same concept. This operator broadens your search, returning anything that mentions either meeting, conference, or both. It's a smart way to catch variations in terminology without running multiple separate searches. If you see too many results, you can refine your terms to be more specific or add contextual words outside the OR pair to help guide the search. A couple of quick tips as you practice. Most search tools ignore capitalization of regular words, but they often recognize operators like AND and OR more reliably when they're uppercase. Keep your queries clean. Avoid stray punctuation or extra spaces, and try a slight wording tweak if nothing shows up. Different platforms may have small differences, but these three operators behave consistently across most tools. With quotes for exact phrases, AND to narrow, and OR to broaden, you'll search smarter and find what you need faster. Thanks for watching and happy searching.